ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता ततः पदं तत्परिमार्गितव्यं यस्मिन् गता न निवर्तन्ति भूयः तमेव चाद्यं पुरुषं प्रपद्ये यतः प्रवृत्ति प्रसृता पुराणी।
Thereafter, a man should diligently seek for that supreme state, that is God, having attained to which they return no more to this world, and having fully resolved that he stands dedicated to that primeval being himself, from whom the flow of this beginningless creation has progressed. He should dwell and meditate on him.
निर्मानमोहाजितसङ्गदोषाः अध्यात्मनित्या विनिवृत्तकामाः द्वन्द्वैर्विमुक्ता सुखदुःखसंज्ञैः गच्छन्त्यमूढाः पदमव्ययं तत्।
They who are free from pride and delusion, who have conquered the evil of attachment and are in eternal union with God, whose cravings have altogether ceased, and who are completely immune from all pairs of opposites, going by the names of pleasure and pain, and are undeluded, attain that supreme immortal state.
अमैवांशो जीवलोके जीवभूतसनातनः मनषष्ठानीन्द्रियाणि प्रकृतिस्थानि कर्षति।
The eternal Jivatma in this body is a fragment of my own being, and it is that alone which draws around itself the mind and the five senses which abide in Prakriti.
शरीरं यदवाप्नोति यच्चाप्युत्क्रामतीश्वरः गृहीत्वैतानि संयाति वायुर्गन्धानि वाशयात्।
Even as the wind wafts scents from their seat, so too the Jivatma, which is the controller of the body, taking the mind and the senses from the body, which it leaves behind forthwith, migrates to the body it acquires.
श्रोत्रं चक्षुः स्पर्शनं च रसनं घ्राणमेव च अधिष्ठाय मनश्चायं विषयानुपसेवते।
It is while dwelling in the senses of hearing, sight, touch, taste and smell, as well as in the mind, that this Jivatma enjoys the objects of senses.
उत्क्रामन्तं स्थितं वापि भुञ्जानं वा गुणान्वितं विमूढानानुपश्यन्ति पश्यन्ति ज्ञानचक्षुषः।
The ignorant know not the soul departing from or dwelling in the body, or enjoying the objects of senses. That is, even when it is connected to the three gunas, only those endowed with the eyes of wisdom are able to realize it.
सर्वस्य चाहं हृदि सन्निविष्टो मत्तस्मृतिर्ज्ञानमपोहनं च वेदैश्च सर्वैरहमेव वेद्यः वेदान्तकृत् वेदविदेव चाहम्।
It is I who remains seated in the heart of all creatures as the inner controller of all. And it is I who am the source of memory, knowledge and ratiocinative faculty. Again, I am the only object worth knowing through the Vedas. I alone am the father of Vedanta and the knower of the Vedas too.
द्वाविमौ पुरुषौ लोके क्षरश्चाक्षर एव च क्षर सर्वाणि भूतानि कूटस्थोऽक्षर उच्यते।
The perishable and the imperishable too, These are the two kinds of Purushas in this world. Of these, the bodies of all beings are spoken of as the perishable, while the Jivatma, or the embodied soul, is called imperishable.
यो मामेवमसम्मूढः जानाति पुरुषोत्तमम् स सर्वविद् भजति माम् सर्वभावेन भारत.
Arjuna, the wise man who thus realizes me as the Supreme Person, knowing all, he constantly worships me with his whole being.